Best Nutri Blender mixer grinder. Number 5. Cookwell Bullet mixer grinder 500 watt. Approx price 2340 rupees. Compact and consumes less space. Easy to operate, clean and detachable. This complete kitchen machine offers all-in-one solution. Blender for fresh and healthy vegetables. Number 4. Inalsa mixer grinder Vito Blend 1000 watt. Approx price 5125 rupees. Outstanding performance. Can make just everything. Large portions. 6-lip high quality stainless steel blade. Control the texture just the way you want. 2 years warranty. Number 3. Nutri Blend Pro High Speed Blender. Approx price 7999 rupees. High torque power base with powerful 900 watt motor. Handy countertop appliances that can pulverize the toughest fruits. The unique bullet shape of the cups is the secret. Compact and consumes less space. Operating voltage 220 to 240 volts. Number 2. Blanzano High Speed Nutri Blender Mixer Smoothie Maker. Approx price 5490 rupees. Engineered and designed in Italy. Superior mixing and grinding. Commercial grade components. Powerful 1200 watt. Advanced one-touch operation. 3 program settings. Durable safety interlock system. Universal blades. Easy use and quick clean. Leak-proof BPA free. 310 jars. Capacity 800 ml. Number 1. Wonder Chip Nutri Blend Complete Kitchen Machine. Approx price 3599 rupees. India's favorite blender grinder. Comes with 2 interchangeable unbreakable jars. Anti-rust stainless steel grinding and blending blades. Steady and safe to use with non-skid rubber footing. All parts are detachable and easy to clean. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.